In this video, I'm going to explain about MD5 algorithm and how it works and show a simple Python program to generate MD5 hash. So what is MD5? MD5 stands for Message Digest Algorithm 5. It is an hashing algorithm that takes any kind of input like text, a file or any message and converts it into a fixed length hash value. What we mean by fixed length hash value is that whatever the input is, the input can be smaller or larger. The output will always be 32 hexadecimal characters. So let's before going to the program, MD5 hashing algorithm has some few properties. Those are whatever the input we gave. If we gave the same input, the hashing will be the same, and it is a one-way function. Once the hashing is generated, we cannot convert it back to the original message. So let's get into the program. The first thing we have to do is that import hashlib library to get the MD5 hashing object to hash the given text. I have defined a function named generate MD5 where I will pass the text as a parameter that needs to be hashed, and after it I have created a MD5 hash object using hashlib.md5. Then I will pass that encoded text to that update method in that object. What I mean by encoded text is that the input will be like a bunch of words and characters. For each word, I will be splitted. I will split it into each characters. Like for example, hello is a word. It is splitted into H, E, L, L, O. For each of the character, I will get its ASCII value. Like H ASCII value will be 72. E ASCII value will be 101. For given ASCII values, it will be converted into respective binary digits. Those binary digits will be combined and will be internally processed in the MD5 hashing algorithm. So after I will pass the encoded text in the update method in the hashing object, it will return the final hash in the hexadecimal format. Note that the hexadecimal format will always contain 32 digits, even if the text is smaller or larger. So let's run the code and test it. So let's enter a message that needs to be hashed. So as you can see, the original message I've entered is hello, and it returns a 32 digits hexadecimal characters, and we can see the length of the hash is 32 characters.